Today, I'm going to teach you how to add wheelchair assistance on American Airlines. Whether you're planning ahead or need to update an existing booking, this process ensures you get the support you need for a smooth travel experience. American Airlines is dedicated to providing accessible travel for all customers, and they make it pretty straightforward to request special assistance. You can handle this when you're first booking your trip, or you can add it later to an existing reservation. If you have more complex needs, there's also an option to call them directly, and a coordinator will reach out before your trip to confirm everything is arranged. Let's start with how to request wheelchair assistance when you're booking a new trip. Head over to aa.com or open the American Airlines app on your phone. As you're going through the booking process, you'll reach the passenger details page. This is where you enter information about who's traveling. On this page, look for a section labeled Add Special Assistance. Click on it to expand the options. This is where you'll specify that you need wheelchair assistance for your flight. Now, if you've already booked your trip and need to add wheelchair assistance after the fact, don't worry, it's just as easy. Go to aa.com or open the app and find your trip. You can do this by entering your confirmation code, which you should have received via email when you booked. Alternatively, if you have an AA Advantage account, you can simply log in and your upcoming trips will be displayed. Once you've pulled up your trip, scroll down until you see the Special Services section. Within this section, click on Special Assistance. This will take you to a page where you can add various accessibility services to your reservation. Here's where you'll choose the specific service you need. American Airlines offers several options, including wheelchair assistance, help if you're traveling with your own mobility or medical device, individual assistance for passengers with hearing, vision, cognitive or developmental disabilities, and the option to travel with a service animal, though that requires approval at least 48 hours before your flight. For our purposes, go ahead and select wheelchair assistance. After you've made your selection, the system will save your request and it will be attached to your booking. American Airlines will then make sure the necessary arrangements are in place at the airport. If you have any specific needs beyond the standard options, or if you want to discuss your requirements in more detail, it's a good idea to call American Airlines directly. Their team can provide personalized assistance and answer any questions you might have. And that's it. You've successfully added wheelchair assistance to your American Airlines booking, ensuring you'll have the support you need on your travel day. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.